Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use smithing templates in Minecraft. These special items allow you to customize your armor and tools with unique visual patterns. Think of them as blueprints for decoration. You'll combine a template, your chosen armor or tool, and a decorative material at a smithing table to create a personalized look. It's a fantastic way to add flair to your gear and stand out in your adventures. Let's dive into the details of how this works. Finding smithing templates is an exciting part of the process. Most of these valuable templates are discovered in chests located within various structures throughout your Minecraft world. Each type of structure, like a desert temple or a woodland mansion, often holds a unique template design, encouraging exploration. Once you have a template, you can duplicate it by combining it with 7 diamonds and a block of its associated material at a crafting table. Happy hunting for these rare finds. Using the smithing table is straightforward. First, place your smithing template into the leftmost slot. This tells the table which pattern you want to apply. Next, put the armor piece or tool you wish to customize into the middle slot. Finally, in the rightmost slot, add your chosen decorative material, such as gold ingots, diamonds, or emeralds. The resulting item will appear in the output slot, showcasing your newly trimmed gear. It's a simple 3-step process. Minecraft offers a wide array of templates to personalize your gear. There are 16 distinct armor trim templates, each providing a unique visual style to your armor pieces. Beyond aesthetics, the Netherite upgrade template is crucial for transforming your diamond equipment into more durable Netherite versions. Each template serves a specific purpose, whether it's adding a decorative flourish or enhancing your gear's strength. Experiment with different combinations to discover your favorite looks and upgrades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.